Hello and welcome to Harold's Healthy Snack Sensations. I'm Lisa from Life Ed and today I'm joined by head baker Luke from Baker's Delight.
Hello Lisa, it's great to be here.
And the one and only Healthy Harold. Now let's meet today's chefs. All here to showcase their skills in the kitchen using the secret ingredient.
Now Lisa, what is that secret ingredient?
Oh, great question, Luke. Let's cross over to Harold in the kitchen. Oh wow! Is that the Healthy Solutions range from Baker's Delight?
That's right Lisa. Our Healthy Solutions range is packed full of healthy goodness, giving kids nutrition and energy they need to play all day long.
What? I love Harold. I want your special t-shirt.
The chefs are ready
The bread is healthy.
and the clock is ticking. Let's get started.
When Harold revealed the bread, I was shocked. Bread? Yes, yes, yes. I love bread. It's my favorite.
Oh yeah, bread is so bready. Bread is the best. It makes everything better.
Bread, yes! I've got the bread!
I knew exactly what I was going to do. Excellent toast cups. Step 1. Saute chopped kale and spinach in a pan with minced garlic and a tablespoon of olive oil.
A new responsible adult, please. Oh, hello.
Remove from heat
Thank you.
and grate parmesan on top. Step 2. Place sliced Baker's Delight high fiber low GI white in a lightly oiled muffin tray
Okay.
and place it in a preheated oven for 5 minutes at 180 Celsius. Step 3. Remove
Thank you.
and add a rasher of bacon to each. 1 tablespoon of sautéed greens and crack a whole egg on top of each. Add salt and pepper and bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the eggs have whitened to your desired amount. Sprinkle chopped chives on top.
What am I gonna make? I know! Let's go! Super Sandwich Sushi! Step 1. Cut the crusts off the Baker's Delight high fiber, low GI white bread and spread each slice with cream cheese, add a piece of lettuce and top with tuna.
Yum.
Step 2. Place a few pieces of thinly sliced carrot, cucumber and thin pieces of chives close to the edge of the bread. Mwah! This is gonna be delicious. Step 3. Tuck under and continue to roll until all the bread is rolled up. Secure with a toothpick or tie with chives. Step 4. Repeat and marvel at your artistic masterpiece.
And that's a wrap.
What am I gonna do with rolls?
I know. Roll nachos. Step 1. Responsible adult. Oven and pan, please.
Preheat oven to 180 degrees.
Thank you.
Step 2. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, cook the onions until soft. Add the spice mix, tin of tomatoes, and beans. Cook until well combined and beans are slightly softened. Step 3. Take your Baker's Delight high fiber, low GI wholemeal rolls and thinly slice them.
My responsible adult helped me with these earlier.
Place the rolls onto a lined baking tray and spray lightly with oil. Place into the oven for 10 minutes.
Thank you.
Or until golden and toasted. Step 4. Once your roll slices are ready, evenly layer with the spiced bean mix and then top with a sprinkle of shredded cheese.
Mwah.
Place back into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese has melted.
Thanks so much.
Step 5. Top your nachos with dollops of avocado and sour cream, then sprinkle over the fresh diced tomatoes and fresh herbs. And that's how you make roll nachos.
Why is there sultanas in this bread? Do you know? Do you guys know? What am I supposed to cook with it? Don't worry about me. I'm already a master chef in the kitchen. French toast. Step 1. Gently heat the maple syrup and blueberries in a saucepan until the berries start to release their juices. Set them to one side in the pan.
And this is one that my responsible adult did earlier.
Step 2. Whisk the chickpea flour, almond meal, cinnamon, milk and vanilla together in a bowl.
Okay, now that that's done, I need a responsible adult, please.
Step 3.
Thank you.
Heat a little oil in a frying pan. Dip a slice of bread into the milk mixture, shake off any excess,
Okay, your turn.
and fry the bread on both sides until it's brown and crispy at the edges. Keep the slices warm in a low oven as you cook the rest.
Oh wow, these look great. Thank you so much, responsible adult. Bye.
Step 5. Serve with the blueberry mixture, Greek yogurt,
Time to dust this one off.
and dust off with icing sugar.
Wow, what an amazing display of creativity from our chefs today.
A true showcase of the healthy snacks you can make at home with a little creativity.
And the healthy solutions range from Baker's Delight.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time on
Harold's Healthy Snack Sensations.